Well, we got another storm rolling by. We get the wind. Welcome to Man Kitchen Recipes. I'm Kevin, and tonight I'm doing something super simple, super quick, and something that I really just love to do in the Blackstone. And all we're going to do tonight is we're going to grill up a piece of chicken breast. The only thing on it is olive oil and SPG. Let's throw it on the griddle. Get a little bit of oil down, and then we just want to lay our chicken down. Oh, listen to that sizzle. Okay, for your chicken breast, you know, I could have flattened this out and made it even, but I didn't. So I'm going to let it go for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and after 3 or 4 minutes, I'm going to flip it over. Make sure that, you know, we don't want to burn it. We're just going to get it nice and golden brown. And then we're going to let this side go for 3 or 4 minutes. And you just got to keep an eye on that little center part. You can see that the center is still raw, and that's why you want to keep flipping it. You want to flip it so that you don't burn it, but it will cook through and through. And then after I let it go 3 or 4 minutes, see, it's still pink. So I let it go 3 or 4 minutes. I turn it over again, and then I'll let it go for about 3 more minutes. And after that, then I'm going to start doming it so that it keeps the heat in, so that it helps cook the center part. As you can see, it's still pink in there. I'm going to throw my dome on top, and once I use the dome, I'm only going to go about 2 minutes, and then I'm going to flip it. And that'll help. See, it's already cooking a little bit inside. That's just from the first 2 minutes. So I'm going to let this go, keep 2 minutes going, flip it. You know, as you get towards the end, you can go 1 minute, 2 minutes. You just want to make sure you don't burn it. I think I went a total of about 20 minutes. Just going to flip it again. Put the dome back on. And then, you know, like I said, as it gets going, you want to temp it out. Right there, we're temping at 165, so this chicken is done. You want it to get up to at least 165. Let me grab my plate. Get this off of here. Look at that chicken. Done perfect on the Blackstone Griddle. Look at that. Beautiful. All right, let's take it inside. I'm going to chop it up. Let me just slice into it. I'm going to cut this into pieces, little bite-sized pieces to put on top of our salad. Chicken salad is awesome. Every now and then, that's all you need. So let me get this cut up real quick. Now, I had a salad kit. I don't know if you've ever bought those, but this is a Maple Bourbon salad kit. It's got Maple Bourbon Vinaigrette. And there's my dog Gimli. It's like, drop one, Dad. So there's the kit, Maple Bourbon Bacon kit. And here's my salad. It's got the Maple Bourbon Vinaigrette on it. It's really good. Cucumbers, chopped almonds, bacon bits. Complete salad with that chicken, grilled chicken, yeah. Okay, so I started this video in my work clothes, got into some comfortable clothes. I did not come out and do a taste test of that chicken salad. It was amazing. And I don't know if you've ever bought those chopped salad kits at the store or not, but we always like to try different ones. And like I showed you, this is a Maple Bourbon Bacon chopped salad kit, and it had a Maple Bourbon vinaigrette in it, and that was really delicious for the dressing. And I'll tell you what, that vinaigrette would be really good for a marinade for chicken. So I may have to get this kit again just so I can marinate some chicken in it. Anyway, it's funny because I did a chicken salad, gosh, a couple of years ago, and I did the chicken on the pellet grill, and it took an hour, and I wrapped it and sauced it and did all this stuff, and the chicken was juicy and amazing. And I cut it up and I put it on a salad, and somebody commented, "You went through all that work just to make a salad? Who does that?" And I'm like, apparently I do. So anyway, on the Blackstone, real quick, come home. And it still takes probably 15 to 20 minutes to do a chicken breast on the Blackstone. I could have cut it to make it more even, let it cook quicker and evenly. I didn't. You just keep flipping it, just like you would if you had it on your charcoal grill or a regular grill. You know, you want to make sure you flip the chicken and get it, don't let it burn, just let it cook really nice. Get it up to 165. Anyway, thanks for watching. I know it was just a salad video, but it was a grilled chicken salad with the Maple Bourbon Bacon salad kit, and it was amazing. Anyway, thanks for watching. Give it a try. Like, subscribe, comment. We'll see you on the next video.